Okay, my friends, we just left Lamberti Sausage Company and LC's Fine Foods. This is New Haven, in here, Long Island Sound. And then down here, they got all the food trucks going to get back on the highway over here. There it is. We got the boats and stuff over there, tugboats. It's a gas company over there. There's a nice view. Of course, you don't want to go swimming in there. I definitely don't. There's Interstate 95 right there. And I'll be home in about 10 minutes. Here's all the food trucks. Everybody comes down for their lunch. Long Wharf.